This video will show you the contours needed to evaluate an ESRT lung plan. The first step that I use is creating a contour called Block 1. So I'm going to add a margin superiorly and inferiorly around the PTV. And I'm going to just add a margin that is 3 millimeters superior and inferior to the PTV contour. And this is going to help me build a better block margin for my plan. And you'll see this in the next video. So here the block 1 created a slice superiorly and inferiorly to the PTV. And block 2 is essentially a copy of block 1. So I'll right mouse copy structure and then right mouse paste structure into existing structure to create the block 2 contour. Next we need a carina contour, and that's going to be used using the paintbrush tool. And I'm just going to fill in a few slices of the carina. Notice I don't have the static brush selected, so this brush does see the lung density and helps me contour just the trachea that forms the carina itself. And I just want a few slices, so that's good enough. And chord plus 3 millimeters is 3 millimeters around the chord, so I'll select the margin for structure tool, select spinal cord, and add 3 millimeters. And this will help me in the planning phase as well. Say OK. D-max rind will be used to evaluate the plan, and that is a 2 cm skin rind. So I'll go to the extract wall icon, and my inner margin will be 2 cm, and I'll say OK. And this created a 2 cm skin rind. PTV plus 2 is 2 cm around the PTV contour, and this will help me make other contours. So we'll select that structure, go to margin for structure, and my create margin from will be the PTV, and I will add 2 cm and say OK. And the next structure is skin minus PTV. So I'll use the Boolean operators for this process. And I can select that up here by using the Boolean operator icon. And we'll select external, sub, and PTV. Say OK. And my next structure is skin minus PTV plus 2. And we just created the PTV plus 2. Let's go back to the Boolean operators. External, subtract, PTV plus 2. Say OK. And lastly, we'll do total lung minus ITV. Use the Boolean operators again. This time I'll start with a parentheses, left or right lung, end parentheses, subtract ITV. And say OK. And this essentially created a contour that is just both lungs. Let me turn the ITV on here. Both lungs minus ITV. And this completes the contours necessary to plan for an ESRT lung case.